Hi everyone, welcome back to Basic to Finance. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Binance email address. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to change your email address on Binance, first open up a web browser and log into your Binance account with a web browser. Go to www.binance.com and press enter. Log into your Binance account like you normally do, and once you are logged in, mouse over to the human icon located at the upper right hand corner. From the expanded menu, click on Security, scroll down to Email Address Verification option and click on the Change button right next to it. Click Confirm from the pop-up menu. Now, type in the new email address that you want to change to in the first text box. Make sure that you type in the valid email address. Once you type in your email address, right where it says New Email Verification Code, click on Get Code in order to receive a verification code in your new email address. Now, go ahead and open up your email. In your email inbox, you'll be able to receive an email from Binance. Click it open and copy the code that you received. Go back to the email verification page and type in the code. Under security verification, you'll need to type in the 6-digit code received by your previous email address. Click on Get Code to receive it and open up the new email that you received from Binance and copy the verification code. Type in the email verification code in the text box and then you'll be taken to a next page. Here, you have completely changed your email address to a new one. Now you can go and click on this login button. Next time you log into your account, you'll need to type in the new email address that you just changed to. Type in the new email address that you just changed to and then type in your password in the next field. Click on Login after you're done entering your credentials. Complete the puzzle piece and you'll be logged into your Binance account with the new email address. That is how you can easily change your email address for Binance. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.